Hello, my name is Syahrijuita Kadir. I am a lecturer from Biochemistry Department from Medical Faculty of Hasanuddin University, Indonesia. I am very glad to participate in this event to join SciTech BioTech-Food Science 2023. I hope I can collaborate and have good relationship with all of researchers in the world. That's my curriculum vitae. I am the research leader of the nanocellulose material at Hasanuddin University, and my project is special for export of Indonesian plant and traditional medicine. And I am the otolaryngology specialism in Makassar. Okay, I would like to present my project about Nata the Durio. I think all of you ever saw, read, or eat the durian. Durian or the Durio is the commercial tropical fruit that's very popular in Indonesia or other countries in Asia. In Indonesian farmers have produced more than 1.71 million tons Durio every year. But besides that, the Durio, we found that our result was of the Durio more than 1.1 million tons seeds of the Durio. So I and my team, that's my student, Miss Tri and Miss Ika Justicia, that stimulate to utilization that the seed of the Durio to make a useful product to our healthy. Because we non-report that the seed of the Durio have many contain nutritional elements that are very beneficial to our healthy. There are high carbohydrate, there are fat, there are calcium and phosphorus. So I think that so good if we can utilization that the seed of the Durio to be the useful material for our healthy, and that's choice. We would like to make Nata the Durio from the seed of the Durio, because helping by Acetobacter cyninum, we can make it biocellulose gel from the Durian seed, because Durian seed have more than 45 until 47% carbohydrate. The aim of my study would like to prevent the formation of Nata the Durio from the Durian seed. And we would like to compare the variant dry wax of the seed of the Durio to influence formation of the thickness of Nata the Durio product. This study, that's the experimental research. And we have 3 steps to make it the Nata the Durio from the seed of the Durio. The first, we making starter from pineapple extract. The second, we making the process Nata de Durio. And the third, we make Nata thickness measurement by different variant of dry weight of Nata. Step 1. Making starter from pineapple extract. We make ratio pineapple, sugar, and water is 2:1:1. All of these two substances we mix and we fermentate it for 14 days in the room temperature. After the Acetobacter psyllium growth in this medium, we will use it as starter to make Nata de Durio. Step 1, we will process the Durio seed to be the Nata de Durio. For the first, we prepare durian seed. We take it Syahrijuita seed Durio. That's the local variant Durio at South Sulawesi of Indonesia. After wash and clean, we dry it direct in sun for 5 until 10 minutes. After that, we blend it 100, 200, and 240 grams. We mix with 600 milliliter distillated water. After good mix, we boil for 3 minutes and we enter 260 grams sugar, 12 gram bean sprouts, and 30 milliliter acetic acid until this medium had pH 40.5. After cooling that medium, we enter 150 milliliter starter, that Acetobacter from the pineapple extract, and we enter each 20 milliliter medium and cook in sterile water, and after that we cover by sterile paper. After that, this substance and solution we ferment it at room temperature, and we will be observe the growth of the Nata. And the step 3, we would like to measure the thickness of the Nata de Durio. We will observe the thickness of Nata on days 7 and 14. We measure it by use digital micrometer. The result of my research about Nata de Durio from the Nata seed, in table 1, we can show that if we use 100 gram, 200 gram, or 240 grams, that's not difference the result of the thickness of Nata de Durio. Average, the thickness more than 0.3 until 0.4, and that the difference of the thickness not significant by statistical tests. And the table 2, we can show that the thickness of the Nata de Durio after day 14, that's similar, no difference if we give the variant of the dry weight, and the thickness of the Nata de Durio only average 0.4 until 0.5. And that's the failure, not the significant by statistical. But even though not difference, the thickness of the Durio using the different dry weight, but may I say that in this study have successful to prevent that the seed of the Nata can use to be a source carbohydrate or glucose to make Nata the Duro by helping by Acetobacter selenium. If we would like to compare the fruit fiber with the popular Nata from the Nata de coco or from water of coconut, may I say that Nata de Duro higher fruit fiber content or percentage fiber than the fruit fiber content at the Nata de coco. Nata de Duro fiber content that 1.48%. But Nata de coco only content fiber 0.93. From my project, we can prove that durian seed can make Nata de Durio because durian seed contain 46.2% carbohydrate. There are 2.5% protein, 0.2% fat, and more than 51.15% water. And that the carbohydrate level contained in durian seed are higher than compared by carbohydrate level in cassava or in sweet potatoes. In cassava, only contain 34.7% carbohydrate, and in sweet potatoes, only contain 27.9% carbohydrate. And from my research, may I say that there are no difference the thickness of the Nata formed by the variant dry weight, but the dry weight of durian seed can often use to the basic ingredient in making Nata. And even though the statistical tests show that the difference of the weight of the Durio not significant, the effect of the thickness of the Nata form, but still may I say that the higher dry weight, in this case 240 grams, that's the good way to make the good thickness of the Nata de Durio. From this slide, may you see that Nata de Durio product on the day 14 from 100 gram dry weight durian seed at the picture A, and that's the Nata de Durio from 200 grams dry weight of durian seed, and the slide and the picture B, and that 240 grams dry weight of durian seed to be Nata de Durio at the picture C. And if we compare the thickness of Nata de Durio with the popular Nata de coco, maybe I say that the result of this research can explain that the crude fiber content of Nata de Durio that are higher than crude fiber content of Nata de coco. And the conclusion of my project, durian seed can be used as the basic ingredient in making nata. And carbohydrate in durian seed can use to make biocellulose gel by Acetobacter psyllium helping. The dry weight of the durian seed does not affect to the thickness of the nata de Durio form. The dry weight of 20, 40, 240 gram durian seed has a better nata de Durio thickness product if we compare with the other dry weight of 100 gram or 200 gram of durian seed. And my recommended from my research, please utilization durian seed as source carbohydrate to make nata biocellulose gel. And regarding to the next, we will be use Nata de Durio can be functional fiber diet for gastrointestinal healthy and care. And if you would like to read the full paper or my research, you can read or open the Emirate Journal of Food and Agriculture 2023. That's this link. I think enough. Thank you for your attention. And in this time, I invite you to welcome to Indonesia. Enjoy, eat Durio fruit and drink Nata cellulose from Durio seed. Thank you and goodbye.